Hello, Dave Knight here at Knight Capital Management, and welcome you to what we're going to call the best trade of the week. Look forward to meeting you soon and talking to you as well. You can reach it here at knightcapitalmanagement.blogspot.com, or simply just put in knightcapitalmanagement.com, and this will forward to where my blog is. Knight Capital Management, here's you put your name, email, share as much information as you would like. Go ahead and submit this, and you can get update to real well, you say real live time trades, but now I run a trading chat room, so please feel free to send the information, and obviously you can ask me questions about that as well. Tuesday on June 2nd is the trade that we're going to talk about. It's actually a Tuesday day trading long ES first bar spike bar. We're going to talk about this particular trade, how we use the 10 a.m. red report pending home sales to carry us to profit during the trade. This was a long. It was able to capture 5 points on every contract. For every 2 contracts traded was $500 or $250 a contract. You'll notice that volume itself was a blue volume, but it was what we would consider above average blue volume. If you look back at the volume itself, you can see that it was much higher than if you take away the 2 closing bars of the previous day. This bar would have been a green bar volume right here, and as you can see, it rewarded us here, and we'll talk about this trade in just a few minutes. Once again, what we're looking at here is forexfactory.com. This is the calendar for the week, and the trade that we're looking at, this is the pending home sales right here at 10 a.m. and this is the report that we were working with, and as you know, the stock market opens up at 9:30 a.m. And if you don't know that, that's when it opens. You can see that this market had a surprise, 6.7% here, forecasting a 0.4%, and this surprise here, we were in a position to be able to capture this. We also were in a position to place a stop in the market just in case it went against us as well. But this is one of those moves that happens very quick, very fast, and you're able to get in and out of the trade. And this particular trade, I think we're in maybe 16 minutes between being in and getting out of the trade itself. Okay, I'm going to make this fairly quick today. We're going to make a very fast video here, and since it's a very quick video, I want to let you know that my template and charts are supplied by Rockwell Trade Navigator. That's a company by Genesis, and it's by Rockwell Tradings. This is the classic template with Rockwell Trading. Once again, I do run a live trading chat room, and contact me to get more information about that as well. You can contact me either at tradecraze@gmail.com, or you can also contact me at my Rockwell address at tiger@rockwelltrading.com. Since I am a trading partner with Rockwell, you can contact me, Tiger like the zoo animal, at rockwelltrading.com. Okay, so here's our first bar. What we're going to do is focus in a little bit on this particular trade here. So we're going to zoom in so we can take a closer look at the market that we're paying attention. We already looked at the volume on this trade, and we know that it was above average blue bar volume, which would have been green if you take into everything in account. So let's go ahead and get the market rolling here a little bit, and this is each minute ticks here, and I want to see the spike bar. Here's your spike bar forming, 942, 43, 45. Let me go ahead and stop it and rewind just a little bit. And let me refocus in here. So let me go ahead and put our entry point into the market and where we got in and so forth. So here's our entry point here at 941.5, right at the 945 mark. See, this is a spike reversal, first bar spike, and above average blue bar volume. And we wanted to get into this trade here basically because of the upward movement of the market itself. And at the time I was thinking the market could at least get to 950 if not higher during a nice little announcement. It was coming into Tuesday, there was some positive news from the previous day as far as although you wouldn't think that GM filing bankruptcy would be a positive component to the market, it did show some carryover from Friday to Monday to Tuesday. And so we're trying to take advantage of that as well. So let's go ahead and get the market moving again here. And this is 1 minute tick bars here. So it's not exactly the whole market here. But I want to stop this market right here at 959. So here we are at 959, and This is we're sitting here at 943 and a half. We're up 8 ticks or 2 points right at this point in time. Here's where we protected our profit. We pretty much put a stop at 941.75, moved this at 938.5, moved it up to 941.75, and even if it would have moved and rolled against us, hopefully it wouldn't have gapped down too far that we wouldn't have been able to get out. Hopefully it would have taken an extra point or so loss or so, but this isn't the employment report. This is pending home sales, and we were looking for a surprise kind of in the market to be able to take advantage of that surprise and then roll through. But we're also protecting our trade here at 941.75. Hopefully we wouldn't get stopped out and it would just take off and go straight to our target. Okay, so I'm going to slow down the tick chart here, or not the tick chart, but the 1 minute chart. When I talk about the 1 minute chart, this is 1 minute worth of data that comes on each time you see it up and down and so forth. So let's take a look here. Okay, I had to refocus in there, but here we are. We got the printing, and here's a 10 o'clock movement here. This is the 10 o'clock bar, 10 to 10:15. And I want to show you how quick this moved there. This is a 1 minute period of time that we're looking at right now. 1 minute right there. Boom, let's stop. So after the release of this announcement at the pending home sales at 10 o'clock that we looked at Forex Factory, you can see how this market just rolled through and we're able to capture a very quick never look back type of trade. It went from 941.5, 946.5, and I believe this ends up being the high of the day as well at 949. And at this point, as I am recording, I don't believe the market has crossed above 949 right now. But 946.5, we're able to capture that particular trade. We're out in front of the 947.25 here of the previous day. And that was also the high of the previous day, which also becomes major resistance. So we were able to capture this profit, 5 points every contract, $250 per contract. In this case, for every 2 contracts traded, that was worth $500. Very quick, very fast, very efficient trade. Just as a side note, I'm actually working on a website right now called daytradingnight.com, and just want to let you be aware of it right now. It's a website is coming soon, so I hope to have it completed before the summer's out, and then we'll go from there. Once again, this website's going to be called Day Trading Night, and I'm going to share a lot more ideas and so forth here. And I look forward to being able to help you as well. Please feel free to get in contact. Once again, my name is Dave Knight. I'm with Knight Capital Management. I'm also a trading partner at rockwelltrading.com. I run a live trading chat room. More information coming, another module perhaps, and more information is on its way. If there's anything that I can do to assist in your trading, please let me know. Once again, you either contact me at tradecraze@gmail.com or Tiger, like the zoo animal, Tiger at rockwelltrading.com, or tradecraze@gmail.com, or Tiger at rockwelltrading.com. Thank you so much for your time. Once again, I look forward to helping you. If there's anything that I can do to assist, just let me know. The market, when we're looking at this was the GM trade here. This was pretty simple. Just get in and ride it out. And Tuesday, take advantage of the report. So that's it. Goodbye. Good luck. And good trading, everyone. We'll talk to you soon.